This is Garmin Venu 3, an upgraded version of Venu 2. I have two colors of it. The Garmin Venu 3 maintains a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and functional. The watch features a 1.4-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. Garmin's body battery feature is a unique addition to the Venu 3. It uses a combination of heart rate, stress, and activity data to provide an overall energy level score. This feature helps you understand when you are most energized and when you might need to rest, making it easier to manage your daily activities and workouts. Sleep tracking on the Garmin Venu 3 uses heart rate variability to estimate your stress levels throughout the day. The watch provides a stress score and offers guided breathing exercises to help you relax and manage stress effectively. It offers up to 10 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, which includes notifications, heart rate monitoring, and sleep tracking. In GPS mode, the battery life drops to about 20 hours, which is still impressive for a smartwatch with such a high resolution display. The Venu 3 includes safety and tracking features such as incident detection and assistance. If the watch detects an incident during an activity, it can send you real time location to emergency contacts. You can also manually trigger an assistance alert if you need help. According to me, you should consider this Garmin Venu 3 because it has comprehensive health and fitness tracking, vibrant AMOLED display, and smart features like notifications and Garmin Pay. Its durable, water resistant design makes it suitable for everyday wear and various activities.